Okay, hello and welcome again to Phil's Workshop. Right, okay. Previous video you saw me making the box. This one is where we're going to sort out the top and bottoms. Now if I bring this down a little bit. That's it, so you can actually see what's going on. I'm going to have to mark that up different, you know, because I sometimes forget which is up and which is down. Okay, so here we go. Right, just ordinary plain ply, 6mm. Now they're all going to be cleaned up properly at a later date. All I'm doing is just prepping them and ready for finishing purposes. Taking off the rough edges, and I'm only taking them off so they don't stick in my delicate fingers. Hey, I tell you what though, they have gone delicate since I've got age, I must admit. I mean, 50 years in the motor trade, I mean, they hardened up, but I've been 6 years retired now, and everything's gone soft, just like a blue baby's hand now. So there you go, we have to be careful. Okay. Hello? You're not doing any lifting? No, dear. Yes, okay, that's fine. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye. Bye-bye. Right. What that was a little bit of conversation with the good lady. Usually my brother-in-law comes round. But I turned round to him and said, I'm not doing any lifting today, so he might as well stay at home. Normally he's a good bloke and he'll come round. Right, okay, so as you can see, two different sizes. Front one is for the slider, the back one is for the bottom. So what are we going to do first? Okay, so we'll do the slider first. Right, we'll get the box up. First thing I like to do is make sure that it fits, and that is quite tight. Consider the fact of the mess. Oh my goodness. Hey, don't it all go wrong, eh, when you're trying to show off, it goes totally wrong. Now, yeah, that's why. Well, off them off. Right. These are way too wide to go in. The top is. It's approximately about 1 mil each side, too wide. So I'll put them down there for me, and what we'll do is we'll take care of the bottom first of all. Now again, these are a little bit oversized, but I'm not bothered, because it doesn't make that much difference. But just to show where the centres are. Now this is the other one that I was telling you about. That There's the sharpener, and we have a nice point on there. And this one's coloured, so that's champion. So what I'm going to do is roughly just get where the washing is. Then I'm just going to roughly run down there. Right. Now, as I say, no great detriment on these. So, a bit of glue. Because again, I don't know what sort of stuff I'm going to be putting. And yeah, you could use what's you could use an air nailer, doesn't make any difference. It's just me, I feel like doing it, what is it they say? Old school. I just find it somewhat refreshing. Right, smooth it out. I don't put that much on that it squirts out everywhere. Some things you have to, yes, I know. It's frugal, but with this it doesn't really matter. And apart from that, it's on the edge. I know what somebody can say. Phil, you put that on there and it'll soak in. I think, yes, it will. It probably will, but for now, and for what I want it for, it will do. And that's all that matters. So, okay. So put that on. Roughly even it up. Now I know where my other pins are, so get your first one in, so as you can just square it up if need be. Now then, along this long side, I'm going to put 4. I mean 3 will do, but I'm putting 4. And then we'll just have 3 front and back. Now have you noticed I haven't gone right to the end of the corners? That's been that I've got other nails there, so I don't want to touch them. Didn't no real need for it because I put a bit of glue on, so yeah. Now, front and sides, you're okay with this type of box. And again, I'm sorry for the noise, but none of this will be edited out. And we're still going, yeah, you know, we're coming up for 11 minutes. This is going to be fun having a look at these videos before I put them on. Now then, what we have got, we've got a gap here. Right, so what I do is if there's any offcuts, I save them, put them underneath. Then when I'm doing the nailing, I'm not putting the actual framework under any stress and transmitting everything down into the centre. So that's the bottom one. Again, straightforward, nothing fancy. Wants a bit of what's the name, rubbing down, and I shall be doing that at a later date. Just a bit of glue there. I shall be doing that at a later date down there. And there you have it. One simple box. And as I say, the lid, when I've gone and sorted it out, is I shall put another piece across there, like so, same as on the other one that I've shown you, and that's it. Then the next thing is then for me to measure up and put a knob in there. So there you have it, people. That's where we're up to. That's what it's all about. That's what my workshop's all about. Nothing fancy, nothing brilliant. And I hope you like it. I waffled in the last one. I'm not doing a waffle in this one. Have yourself a super fine weekend. And what I'll do is I'll pick it up so you can see the ugly bug. There you go. That's it. Okay. Bye-bye for now, people. Bye-bye. It's been a pleasure entertaining you. Goodbye.